Welcome to Zarqa, Jordan's industrial powerhouse where history and modernity intertwine. Nestled near the capital, this city of nearly 1 million people buzzes with a unique energy. Zarqa's roots trace back to the Roman era, with remnants of its past still standing tall. Imagine strolling through Ajloun Castle, a grand fortress built in the 12th century, or exploring the Umayyad Castle, a testament to Zarqa's rich heritage. The city isn't just about history, though. Zarqa is also Jordan's manufacturing hub, a testament to its dynamic economy. The bustling streets and markets filled with local crafts and delectable cuisine are a sensory delight. And let's not forget the people. Zarqa boasts a diverse community that's warm, welcoming, and ever ready to share their city's stories. So whether you're a history buff, an urban explorer, or a curious traveler, Zarqa offers a slice of Jordanian life that's not to be missed. This is Zarqa, a city where past and present converge, inviting you to discover its unique charm.